What's going on, guys? It's ES More. Just wanted to dial in on this. Nice. Might present a failed breakdown, but right now buying volume was coming in, but as soon as we got back to this little 72 level, it completely died. So this pop pretty much mean nothing, right? We need to get above all of these zones, and then buying volume needs to sustain or increase for a long to even be possible. You understand? So that's the first dilemma we have this morning. And I trade ES if you don't know. That's the futures of SPX, right? It tracks the S&P 500. But dang, I was hoping. See, the reason I started this recording is because nice buying volume was increasing down here, and I thought we was gonna get a nice move up. But as soon as I started recording, the buying volume died. So right now it needs to continue higher. So this next buying volume needs to print higher. Simple as that. For us to even have a chance at reclaiming any type of level, right? Because if we reclaim 77 right now, we can possibly be in position for a failed breakdown, right? Which will present a nice long. So let's see how it goes. And if you're in the Discord, then you already know the play that we're working on. I mean, not working on, but you already know what you should be looking at right now because I posted it in the plan yesterday. So let's see what's going on. Let's see. And also today, as I told all my members and as pretty much most people should be doing today, they should be looking for level to level trades because of course, unless you hold runners, right? You holding runners, then you know what I'm saying, you just get out some of your position and then you drag the stop losses up, as y'all should know. But yesterday was a crazy move. We got a crazy move up, okay? And if you don't know, after big moves like this, one directional days, expect a choppier day, right? Expect a messier day, okay? But in my opinion, this 82 level, well, actually, let me drag it down because it's actually right now it would be like, yeah. So this 81 level, this needs to reclaim for real for any type of upside at this point. So let's see what's going on. So we're getting a nice push up. Let's see how this 3-minute candle prints here. We got 40 seconds left in this candle. As long as this buying volume continues to increase, then I actually might try long, right? Get in a little early. But we'll see. I like it. 15 seconds left in this candle. Actually, it was a bigger push than I actually wanted. But I like it though. It is nice for entries though. If you want to play a higher risk, a lower risk entry would just be waiting for this 81 level to reclaim, right? Waiting for this whole trend line to reclaim and all that. That would be the easier play. But this was too big of a push. It actually just pushed directly to where we rejected previously. So don't want to try long there, and we are right where we rejected already. We got a nice push. By the way, this push will not really mean anything unless this buying volume continues to increase, because this was nice buying volume, right? Relevant to the previous volume candles. So basically this push up won't mean anything unless the buying volume continues to increase. So let's see what happens here. We got 2 minutes left in this candle, so you know what I'm saying, we have time. Let me move this out of the way so so y'all can see the time too. And then right here is how I'm looking at the time that's left in this candle, right? For those that do not know, and I'm on the 3-minute chart. So if you don't know, the 3-minute chart means that for each candle represents 3 minutes. So if I go to the 5-minute, each candle is 5 minutes. You know, go to the 1 hour, each candle means 1 hour. So right now I'm on the 3-minute chart for ES, right? That's the futures version of S&P, SPX, right? But like I said though, we have a minute left in this candle, a minute 15 seconds. And buying volume is not looking pretty. Okay. Excuse me. Jeez Louise, it is literally storming outside. Yeah, so buying volume. And then like I said earlier, right, that's why I wouldn't long, right? Because for one thing, this was too strong of a push, and it pushed directly to where we've already been rejecting. So it's like, why would I long? Now, if this volume kicked in and then we stayed around here, it would present a better entry because, you know what I'm saying, we have a few ways to go up at least. You know what I'm saying? So I have a little cushion. But like I said though, the easiest thing to do is really just to wait for this 4781 level to reclaim, and then that's going to present a nice long, right? If this reclaims, then that will actually trigger us. Well, it should trigger us a couple levels up, for real. It should trigger us a couple levels up. And actually, why don't I have a level placed right here? Yeah, so it should trigger us at least up here, right? Where this calculated breakdown even pretty much started. But like I said, that pop really didn't mean anything if buying volume didn't continue to increase. It printed very low, which, I mean, it's common sense, right? We will not continue to go higher, or we won't break through levels or continue to break through levels if buying volume doesn't sustain or increase above those levels, right? It's that simple. But right now, let's see what happens. Honestly, man, we will probably just chop, like I told my members this morning and yesterday after close, that expect a messier day, right? We had a great one-directional day, big profits, right? Very easy day. So expect today to be a consolidation, right? Maybe even a choppy retracement. That's literally what I told them, and that's what it's been. It's been a choppy retracement of today's move. So, I mean, of yesterday's move, I'm sorry. So that's what's currently going on. But yeah, I thought, see, and in my bad, I really started recording because I thought I was going to get a nice entry or a nice play on something, and then I could talk it out as I'm doing it to show y'all how simple it is when you're only using volume and order flow, right? Because at the end of the day, volume and order flow are the only two things that drive a price. So it's common sense, right? And thankfully, actually, volume and order flow leads the price. So it's like, that's all I focus on, right? And then of course price levels, right? Price levels are the ABCs of levels. I mean, the ABCs of trading. That's how you capture what has happened in the past, right? So, but yeah, like I said, buying volume was dying up at this level. We're coming down. So, and I'm not looking for any shorts or anything. I mean, today, like I told my members, I'm just protecting profits for real. Now, if we get nice easy moves like this 81 reclaim, then I might try it, right? But other than that, not going for it.